Educator Talk with a wonderful personality, winner of so many awards, Nachiketa Award, CBSE Awards, HRD Ministry Awards. So list is too long, but what matters is the kind of human being we become. And she's a happy soul, wants to serve society, is a subject matter expert for English, serving so many schools, and he lectures on NEP 2020 and so many other latest topics. So it's good to hear her transformation story. And she is Vishakha Gupta, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
I love your
So,
humility
good
also.
evening. Thank you. Actually, आप जैसे होते हैं आपको बाकी सब वैसे लगते हैं. So, possibly, Sunny sir, you are very humane and humble. That is why you see everybody as humane and humble.
मुझे आपके साथ बहुत सारे एपिसोड्स करने चाहिए, मैम. Because I am now getting compliments and you are introducing me like with all good adjectives. So I'm lucky. I'm happy. So great. So please tell us about your transformation story, ma'am. What keeps you motivated? What keeps you going? What is the secret of your success?
I think being happy is the secret of my success. So I quote just one line which says the secret to happiness is not to do what makes you happy. It is to be happy doing what you're already doing.
Wow.
So I guess that is the mantra that keeps me going in any situation because I try to find happiness in what I'm doing rather than search for happiness.
No more search. Be happy here now. Beautiful.
Yes,
Being
absolutely.
choosing to be happy. Choosing happiness now. Beautiful answer, ma'am.
Yes.
So, what is that gave you promotions from teacher to vice
Uh,
principal and to resource person in CBSE? What is that secret?
um, Possibly my desire to keep learning, to stay a learner for life. I call myself a learner for life. No matter what I'm doing and where I am always a learner and I'm ready to learn from anyone.
But you know what? After having gray hair, we stop learning. So, what is that we should tell our mind? Be humble,
Dye your
learn.
hair and yeah, dye your hair and say, "Abhi bhi student ho."
Very nice, very nice. So, student in the
Being a
heart.
learner for life possibly tells everyone ki, yes, you have to learn. The moment you say, I know everything, you are stagnated.
Truly, truly beautiful. So, be humble and open to learn. A student from heart,
Yes,
student from inside.
a student.
Great.
Yes.
What is the thing we should do to have the happy attitude? Because young teachers are
Wow.
sometimes बड़ा काम कराते हैं यार हमारी प्रिंसिपल. So what should they tune inside? इंडिया नहीं सुधरेगा,
See,
बच्चे नहीं सुधरेंगे. How should I keep myself happy as a teacher?
happiness, as I understand, and you've coined a beautiful term, happitude. I think I've learned that from you today,
No, it's copied.
out of our
It's not
interaction
mine.
till now. Okay, so I have learned it from you. So yes, you are my teacher today. So I've learned a term happitude from Mr. Sunny today, and happiness is not defined by money or position or social status. It is something that I do that brings that joy in me. It could be very simple things, turning the pages of my album to see my child growing, or maybe a lovely video. Money will not always give me that happiness. Happiness comes from within and from the people around you. So I feel when it is either a teacher or a family member or a child, one thing that we always need to remember is recognize. If somebody has done something, recognize it. I believe in one mantra, which is when you have to tell somebody you've done something wrong, that should be done in private, and praise should be done in public. So when you praise publicly, people feel that they have been acknowledged, their work has been admired, which actually leads them to do more work and give you a better output. So I believe that very strongly.
So, as leaders, we can appreciate teachers. But what if that
Yes.
leader is not like you? What is the advice you want to give to the teachers? How to be charged
See,
every
I
day? Yeah.
First of all, they should not compare themselves with others. Whatever they are doing, they are best in their capacities. Don't compare. Then, no matter how much work you have, you need to take time out for your own self and do things that you love to do. So, also, I would advise teachers that they should not go down or feel depressed when a lesson flops, it doesn't work out, or it doesn't turn out the way they thought it would. It's okay. Every time, when I talk about life, I say the life has ups and downs, and people say, what happens when there is a down? I said that is going to take you to the upside, because when I look at the monitor where the heartbeat runs, I also see curved lines there. The day there is a straight line, life comes to an end. So we
Wow.
have to remember that there'll be ups and downs. There'll be ups and downs in life, and downs have to be accepted like the ups. So I cannot say, sorry, I cannot accept downs in my life. The day I stop doing that, even my heartbeat will, if I my heartbeat only keeps going up, I will have a disease, I will have a problem. So even when my heartbeat says I can go up and down,
Yeah.
and it is never a straight line. The day it's a straight line, the life comes to an end.
So celebrate ups and downs.
Celebrate ups and
Celebrate
downs,
down the
absolutely.
same way you celebrated the up. Very good.
Very true.
Any mantra for the mothers, when mothers say, I am not a good mother, I am not a good wife, what do I do? I also feel upset. So what is the mantra for mothers?
First of all, let go. Don't stick on to a certain thing. If the child has not done anything to the expectation, or if the mother has not been able to do something to the expectation of the family, it's okay. She is also a human being like other people who are not able to meet up certain times. So it's
Yes.
okay. So as I said, let go of certain things. Then again, if you find time, find your own time, find the me time, which is very important, because me time helps you rejuvenate, helps you bounce back. At that point of time, do things like reading or stitching or embroidery or cook, whatever is the me thing that makes you happy. Take out time for that. And when you feel rejuvenated, you start working with double the energy.
That's why sleep is
Then,
important.
second, very true, very true. Sleep is very important, and the same way, then the second thing I feel is reduce on your expectations. If you expect a lot and then those things don't materialize, then it is again a big problem. हमने तो ये मांगा था, ये होना चाहिए था, ये नहीं हुआ. It's okay, नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. Do whatever you can, or whatever your the nearest, the close ones, the near and dear ones will do for you, or will support you in that. So the moment you start having a lot of expectations, problems start arising. So
Truly,
mothers
truly.
also should understand that we are all living with human beings. Even in a family, two
Correct.
children, even husband and wife, they do not have the same likes, dislikes, interests. And the same is the situation with students outside with teachers. So we have to understand that everybody is different, and we have to live and adjust with those differences.
Beautiful, beautiful. The me time and the acceptance without too much of expectations or rigid expectations. And we are human beings, not machines. So enjoy life. Very good.
Absolutely true.
But now,
Yes.
what about our teenagers who are comparing themselves on social media? Vishakha ma'am has
Hmm.
25 likes. I have only one like. And also the teenage
Okay.
pressure. फोन को हाथ मत
Hmm.
लगाना, किससे बात कर रहे हो.
Hmm.
So they have their kinds
Hmm.
of pressures, lifestyle
Hmm.
pressures. Vishakha ma'am went to
Hmm.
Switzerland last year. This year COVID happened. I was promised Switzerland, but I could not go. So,
Hmm.
freedom also. Vishaka ma'am has so much of freedom. Sunny has no freedom because Sunny is married. So now what is it? How should they manage all this?
Okay.
How can they be happy?
See, children can also be happy. See, again, it is all about your aptitude and attitude. Now, positive behavior works very well. Again, moving towards your interest. Mobile cannot be a reason of interest. They have to understand and find out, dig out the areas of interest. Then again, second, accepting the shortcomings is very important. I cannot be master in all.
Yes.
I can be master in 1, 2, 5, 10. I cannot be masters in all. Then, as I said, there are things that can make me happy, which can be, absolutely immaterial. My husband gives me a rose, and I feel so happy that he remembers my birthday or he remembers my anniversary. When he buys me diamonds, I'm also happy. But then when he gets me a rose, I'm equally happy because that is an acknowledgement.
Yes.
So even the children need to understand that material gifts cannot be a reason for happiness or sadness. And this, we as elders, as educators, as teachers, as parents have to take up the responsibility to teach them that your feelings are more important, your acceptance is more important. When their friends accept them, when the family accepts the way they are, I think more explanation, rather than explaining to the children, it has to be explained to the parents that
Truly.
accept your child the way he or she is. Let them
Truly,
do their
truly.
work the way they want to do it. Give them the freedom, give them the trust. Do not compare them. Accept their shortcomings. They have to
So,
realize that everyone cannot do everything.
what should school do to bring a happy culture, a happy environment?
I think one, we should have somebody like Sunny ji there. He will definitely come up with a few activities which will keep everybody happy. But yes, then again, a lot of interaction time, smiling. Small children, they love to hug the teacher. So
Yes.
that smile, that hug that a little child wants. Then again, the school can be happy, the school leaders can be happy, the entire environment can be happy when people are given the, when they are understood, when their problems are understood by the school. So whether it's the child or the teacher, if somebody approaches you with a certain concern, it has to be understood. The environment has to be lively. Everybody's opinion has to be taken into consideration. It has to be at least heard. The first thing that people want is to be heard. कि मुझे सुन लिया, मेरी बात को सुन लिया. That is the first thing. You apply it or you don't is different. But then being heard is something that everybody wants. So whether a
Heard,
small child
understood.
or a teacher
Beautiful.
or any, yeah, or any other, member of the staff, whether it is class 4 or even the principal for that matter, anybody, if somebody is wanting to tell you something, hear it out. Give them the time. If you don't have the time, give them a certain appointment and say, okay, child, come to me in the next period. I'll be available for you and I'll hear you out. So that environment of belief, positivity, of being heard and accepted, the moment it is created, I think the school environment will be a beautiful one.
What are your happiest moments as an individual, teacher, or a
My
principal?
Hmm. So, my happy moments are many because I don't look for happiness in very big things. When Sunny sir praised the painting that I made, it made me very happy.
Yes, I really like the painting behind you.
So, so that is recognition of my work because it took me 15 months to make. Then soulful music, maybe reading a book because I am a voracious reader. So reading a book gives me a lot of happiness. Very soulful music makes me happy. A smile on a baby's face brings
Very
that
nice.
happiness.
Very
A hug from a family member, when I need that reassurance, because I am also a human being. There are times when I start, you know when I need that reassurance, and that
true.
hug either from my husband or from my daughter, which tells me, no mama, you can do it. When my husband tells me, no Arey, why are you worried, you'll do a wonderful job, you'll
Yes.
do it beautifully, you'll sail through. That makes me so very happy. It relieves all my stress.
Truly, truly, truly. The self-love moments, the bhakti moments, and these moments come to us every day. So we need not wait for
Yes,
happy birthday.
we don't have to wait for happy birthdays and happy new years and wait for those gifts. Again, as I said, money is transitional, but these things are very small things, but they can transform the entire mindset of a person within seconds.
Truly, a self-hug helps.
Yes.
Great.
So, as they say, when it rains, look for the rainbow. And when it's dark, look for the stars.
Very good. So rainbow and stars and the life goes on. Which is your favorite
Yes.
song?
My favorite song. यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से हम हैं राही प्यार के चलना अपना काम पल भर में हो जाएगी हर मुश्किल आसान हौसला ना हारेंगे हम तो बाजी मारेंगे यूं ही कट जाएगा सफर साथ चलने से कि मंजिल आएगी नजर साथ चलने से
Amazing, amazing, amazing. There is so much of inspiration everywhere in the quotations, in the
yes
songs.
we just need to yes we just
Yes.
need to keep picking up those threads and putting them together.
So which is your favorite quote?
You want my favorite quote? All right, let me remember it. Okay, to be content doesn't mean you don't desire more. It means you're thankful for what you have and patient for what is to come.
Content, thankful. Wow. You already charged me with happiness. So I want to thank you for all the wisdom and wonderful points you shared in our show. I am sure all the teachers and school leaders are going to love it. And please do share with your
Thank you so
parents,
much.
with your students, so that they blossom in joy forever. Thank you so much, Vishakha ma'am.
Right, sure.
See you in our next episode.
Thank you, Sunny
Thank
ji.
you.